Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to look at a quick in-depth review about top tools for LinkedIn automation, which is Aimfox. So let's quickly dive into the review. Aimfox is a LinkedIn automation platform built to help you send personalized outreach, manage campaign, scale lead generation without doing anything manually. Its strengths include the AI-powered message personalization, smart scheduling, clean campaign builder, and tools for managing multiple LinkedIn accounts, which make it especially useful for agencies, sales teams, and founders who want efficient, consistent outreach as well. Talking about the Pro includes the quick setup, strong automation features, and the inbox that keeps your conversation organized in one place. On the downside, automation always carries some risk with LinkedIn strict limit, and also some user needs to be careful not to over automate, and some users also report occasional synchronization issue like glitches, and certain advanced filtering or lead handling options feel a bit limited. So my particular opinion, I think Aimfox is a solid pick for people who want to scale LinkedIn outreach with smart automation, but those who prefer low risk full manual control may find the simpler tools more suitable compared to this. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.